Morning, students. Today we are going to discuss a case study on industrial food applications of microwave or industrial heating of food using microwave device. As you all know, microwave is an electrical oven that works on the principle of electromagnetism that is used to heat the food particles, food cells in the microwave frequency range. This induces a polar molecule in the food to rotate and produce a thermal energy in a process known as dielectric heating. So this dielectric heating process has made a drastic change in food heating in in food industry. So this microwave oven is used to reheat the food as well as to cook the food, as well as the main application of this microwave oven is to reheat the food application food in. The microwave oven heat foods quickly and efficiently as well as effectively because excitation is fairly uniform in the outer range, that is 25 to 38 millimeter, that is about 1 to 1.5 inches of a homogeneous high water content food item. So the development of the cavity magnetron made possible the production of electromagnetic waves of a small enough wavelength that is called as microwaves. So it is a very popular kitchen appliance that is used for reheating previously cooked foods as well as cooking variety of foods. It has its own category of foods to be cooked. They are also useful for rapid heating of otherwise slowly prepared foodstuffs, which can easily burn or turn lumpy when cooked in conventional plants such as hot butter, fats, chocolate industries, etc. Unlike conventional ovens, the microwave ovens usually do not directly brown or caramelize food, since they rarely attain the necessary temperature to produce reactions. Exceptions occur in rare cases when the oven is used to reheat frying oil and other very oily items such as bacon, etc., which attain far higher temperature than that of the boiling water. So microwave oven has limited roles in professional cooking because the boiling range temperature of the microwave will not produce the flavorable chemical reaction that frying, browning, baking at a higher temperature. However, additional heating sources can be also be added to microwave oven. Microwave ovens produces heat directly when within the food, but despite the common misconception that microwave food cooks from the inside out, 2.45 gigahertz microwaves can only penetrate approximately 1 centimeter in the most food. The inside portion of the thicker foods are mainly heated by heat conducted from the outer 1 centimeter of the food item. Uneven heating in microwaved food can be partly due to the uneven distribution of the microwave energy in the oven, and partly due to the different rate of energy absorption in different part of the food. The first problem can be reduced by a stirrer, a type of fan that reflects the microwave energy to different part of the oven as it rotates, or by a turnable that turns the food so that the microwave signal can evenly distributed throughout the food item. However, may still leave spots such as the center of the oven which receives uneven energy distribution, make it a little, maybe little be heat difference will be there when compared to the remaining portion. The location of the dead spots and hot spots in a microwave can be mapped out by placing a damp piece of thermal paper in the oven. When the water saturated paper is subjected to microwave radiation, it becomes hot enough to cause the dye to be released, which will provide a visual representation of the microwave. If multiple layers of papers are constructed in the oven with a sufficient distance between them, a three-dimensional map can be created. Many store receipts are printed on thermal papers, which allows this to be easily done at home even. The microwave ovens at too high power levels may even start to cook the edges of the frozen food, which while the inside of the food remains unfrozen. Another case of uneven heating can be observed in baked good containing berries, etc. So these are the problems that we face when we cook in a microwave industry, when we used to use microwave in a cooking industry. But in spite of all these problems, microwave find its own market in food. It has been inevitable in industries for cooking food, for baking food, and it has find its own market in food, and it has become a vital part in food industries. So thank you so much, students.